Not my shit. Man, why you gonna do me like that, man? Why you gonna do me like that? Now this bitch hard as fuck, bro.
Let me go. There we go. That's fucking dope.
Yes, sirski. Yes, sirski. Shit, let me hear this thing right here. And
Typical F5, bro.
I'm still trying to race that bitch though. This stop? It stopped?
Stop.
What's up?
The only thing I did with it is took out the resonators.
What's
I got the downpipes should hit my house tomorrow. I bought 4-inch canisters.
I only had my shit for 2 weeks.
2 weeks, yeah.
Hell yeah, I'm trying to race this bitch though. If you trying to, hell yeah. Hell yeah. For the freeski. Oh, we fit 20 on, you feel whatever. So, nah, these bitches hard. For real.
I bought it for her.
Don't do me like that. This bitch hard too. Nah, this shit is hard as fuck. Oh! I ain't got that shit. That bitch hard, man.
My fucking supervisor just got a Hellcat this color.
For real?
Yeah.
Damn. What's the hardest car you done seen out here, man? You tell the guys, what's the hardest car you done seen out here?
Out here, probably a Lambo.
Lambo? So what the hell is this? This is a Porsche?
This is McLaren.
Lamb. That bitch tough.
These are,
Alright, we got our sheriff. This is Ron. We made the freedom ride. Pull up 150 cardio line. What the fuck?
You said we had to win? Oh, shit. Shit, alright, man. Y'all take it easy.
big ass party in the DMV.
Where?
They're giving out.
Oh, do it right there?
Yeah.
Let me see. Hey, I'm trying to see that shit.
You didn't tell me what flavors you wanted.
No, you can do 2 random flavors. I'm coming right there. I'm
I
coming
don't
right
know. I don't know if you're allergic to anything.
I ain't allergic to nothing.
Okay.
I ain't allergic to nothing.
Okay, like okay.
Hell no. Hell no. Yo.
You got one for me? You take a picture.
I get one. Yo. Let me get one of them home.
Yeah, pop out, dog. Yeah. No, it ain't free. We got 15 different DJs, man.
There's gonna be some bitches in there.
Badass.
It's a biggest phone party. It's like a party. It's a party.
It's a rave. You ever heard of a rave?
Let's do that shit, man.
Yeah, rave, but we getting trippy, man.
All right, man. That's all right, man. Let's do it. For sure. What the fuck is that brother on? What the fuck?
Yeah.
It don't matter.
Fine. Dark.
Let me get some dark and let me get some light in the other one.
Want to mix? Okay.
Yeah, that's cool. That's cool for me. No, you good.
Okay, I got strawberry and I got pineapple mango.
Okay.
Which one is yours? Which one you want? Strawberry or pineapple mango?
Let me get the pineapple mango.
Okay, you want the dark?
Yeah, I'll take that. For sure. What the fuck is that brother on? What the fuck?
Yeah.
It don't matter.
Fine. Dark.
Let me get some dark and let me get some light in the other one.
Want to mix? Okay.
Yeah, that's cool. That's cool for me. No, you good.
Okay, I got strawberry and I got pineapple mango.
Okay.
Which one is yours? Which one you want?
Strawberry
or pineapple mango?
Let me get the pineapple mango.
Okay, you want the dark?
Yeah, I'll take that. I'll take that.
And then what's the other one?
What is this right here? Grey Goose?
Vodka. Vodka and tequila.
Vodka and tequila?
Tequila, this vodka.
What's that right there?
This is rum.
Rum?
Yeah.
Bacardi?
Yeah.
Hey, you pick. It don't even matter. You
I
pick.
like Reposado.
Let's show you. What's the sweetest car you just seen out here? This joint right here. For sure. For sure. For sure. If it's here, hard, the doors go out too. I said the doors go out too. Yeah. That bitch clean. That bitch clean. Nah, this bitch right here. This bitch too trunk. Y'all got liquor?
Yeah.
Let me get one.
That's ID.
Yeah. Can I show you a picture of it? Can I show you a picture? Can I show you a picture?
A picture?
Yeah.
What about my picture?
You know what I'm saying? Can I show you a picture of my ID? Alright.